double-edged trigger, big stamp. My buddy's kid used to go to school, and you'd always say, like, boy, that was like
What's that? You don't have a Glock hat? Oh, come on. See right here, look at.
Yeah.
Got a countdown.